How iPhone SE2 differs from iPhone 8. The question of wireless charging remains open. Since the iPhone 8 came with a Qi module for over-the-air charging, it would be logical to assume that Apple would leave it in place. But this component, although not the most expensive in design, will still affect the price of the iPhone SE. Therefore, I am inclined to believe that Apple will refuse from wireless charging when designing new items. Still, Cupertino does not aim to give consumers all the best at the lowest price, but try to play the role of a low-cost airline offering a compromise service at a lower price than that of competitors. However, many users will only be glad that Apple made these compromises to offer a truly affordable price for iPhone SE2. The amount of RAM for iOS fans traditionally plays a far from paramount role. In the end, what's the difference? How many gigabytes are there, if the device works without delay and pulls all the tasks? And wireless charging, in spite of the fact that it has existed for a long time, could not become more than just an optional function, which few people use today. Therefore, it is logical to assume that the iPhone SE2 will be in real demand, becoming one of the best sellers along with the iPhone 11.